going on, man? Richez here, back again with another exercise video, yeah? I'm gonna do a quick little routine that anyone can do or try to do, yeah? I'm gonna be doing a lot of nice movements. It's kind of like a HIIT workout, you know, full body thing. So I'm gonna start straight away, yeah? So I started off with the decline sit-ups, yeah? Next thing I'm going to do is box sprints. Next thing, I'm going to do burpees. Burpees take a lot out of me still. After, I'm going to do jumping over the box. This box is not too high. Did a box sprints and burpees, so the legs are a bit tired, isn't it? So this is just burnout. Next thing, push-ups. So all them exercises is one round. You do them 3 times, innit? So I'm saying, and you can do that 3 or 4 times a go. You're fit. You're fit. We've just been doing boxing, innit? Yeah. Tell the truth, innit? Boxing, so I'm a little bit fatigued, innit? Yeah, this is just a quick thing. Since I'm in here, I thought, yeah, boom, let me video something, innit? But I'm gonna do the ones I just done again. Back to this one. My legs are done. That's how you know I don't lie to you lot. I'm tired, fam. Not much rest is conditioning, fam. Watch me kick the whole thing over. Back to push-ups again. Straight in and out. I should do another circuit, but I'm knackered, fam. Yeah. Obviously, if you want to stay in shape, make sure your diet's right. That's the most important thing, your diet. Yeah. And obviously, work hard in the gym, and you'll reach your goals. Simple as that. Listen, if you want me to be your personal trainer, email me or DM me on Instagram and all that. Make sure you like this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Yeah. And yeah, let's get it. What's it? Power. Yeah? Ambitions. All day. Power. Ambitions of power. You know where it is, we're out.